I think one of the most important questions I would ask about the future is, are the devices going to still have a screen? Because as our industry progresses and we have Google Glass and, all these different devices that are, basically computing is all around us. There isn't a specific device or a specific place where you can find computing. You can find information to be consumed, but that information can be, you can get that information in several different ways. And I feel that eventually that little tiny computer that you walk around with in your pocket may no longer be just a device that you carry in your pocket. It might be several different devices. So how would you consume that information, and is that information solely visual consumption? It could be tactile, it could be, audio, or it could be several different ways. So where does usability take us next? Who knows?
Moving forward, you may decide to try out some of the techniques we've talked about here on your site or app. But regardless of what you do, it's important to continue to evaluate the usability of your design because things are going to change. First of all, technology will continue to advance. If you thought your iPhone or Android was advanced now, wait until you see the next one and the one after that. Phones, tablets, laptops, glasses, watches, devices we haven't even considered yet are being introduced in the hopes of increasing user interactivity, content consumption, and access to features in demand. The industry is going to change. Updates will further optimize your code, and new features, libraries, and options will be presented, serving to expand the capabilities of the frameworks and platforms that you're using right now. Related industries will also have an impact. The entertainment industry has pushed the consumption of video content to new heights, and communication has forever been changed by the convergence of computers and wireless technology. But what's also changed are the demands of users. As each website, app, or technology pushes the envelope to offer something new and exciting, users have become accustomed to this continued progress. When an app delivers a new feature or service that outshines others, you can bet that competitors will be trying to figure out how to keep up, if not surpass it. The most important thing to remember is that all of these variables change, and you must be prepared to change with them. Monitoring your analytics, performing regular user testing, and staying up to date with any updates to your code and frameworks can give you helpful insight into how your design is being used and how successful it is. Make sure you connect with valuable sources of information on blogs, social media, and right here at Treehouse, and be prepared. But in the end, always consider that user-centered approach to design. If you can see things through the eyes of your users, you'll understand exactly what they need and how to give it to them.